But nonetheless, sa Maynila.
Yes, sir.
O, kaya nga ako na-alarma kasi, bakit po ba sa Binondo? If I'm not bakit po ba sa Binondo?
That was the original destination of the cargo, Mr. Chair. Binondo, Manila.
And why is it Binondo, Manila? Is it because meron silang warehouse doon?
Sir, maybe the NBI could answer that.
NBI?
question, sir.
Any comments po? Bakit po ba supposedly dadalhin yung mga illegal na droga sa Binondo, Maynila?
Again, Mr. Chair, may we kindly ask that Attorney Galicia be recognized for the details of this case. He is the chief of the Task Force Anti-Illegal Drugs and is the team leader of that particular operations.
Okay, Attorney Galicia, please. Please proceed, Congressman Junicio. Mr. Chairman, Your Honor.
Yes, the question was, Mr. Chair, bakit po ba supposedly nalagay sa mapa o bakit dadalhin sa Binondo, Maynila yung mga droga?
That was the address of the consignee, Mr. Chairman.
No, the reason for the questions of this humble representation, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, is I would like to establish the fact kung meron po ba silang mga warehouses, ito nga Empire 999, doon sa amin sa lungsod ng Maynila.
None, Your Honor. When we checked the address, it was inexistent. So it's not an existing address, Mr. Chairman.
So walang address talaga. Because there's information that this humble representation received ayon sa SEC papers ng Empire 999, ang principal place of business nito ay nasa Unit 2909, 29th floor, World Trade Center, 1 Luna Corner, Dasmariñas Street, Binondo, Manila. Is that accurate?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, but they did not really occupy that office.
So parang bogus address lang yon sa Maynila.
They just use it for purposes of applying for a SEC registration.
So just, Mr. Chair, just to clarify and to make certain, meron po bang na-deliver na drugs as a matter of fact sa Tondo, Binondo, or anywhere in the city of Manila?
None, Your Honor.
That's good to know. Moving on sa PIDEA ulit, sino-sino po ba yung mga may-ari? Just to establish the fact na mga tinanong ni Congressman Luistro kanina, the owners of Empire 999, mga incorporators, can we enumerate it again? I do believe this is part of the matrix that you presented earlier, ASEC.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but it was not highlighted. So the other incorporators of Empire 999 Realty Incorporated is Willie Ong, Jack T. Yang.
Sorry to cut you, ASEC, no? Willie Ong is an incorporator, but other than that, what is his position in the company?
We don't know, Mr. Chair.
There has been reports that he is the chairman and the president of the company. Is that a correct fact?
According to PAOK, sir, yes.
Thank you. Let's proceed, sir.
I said the other incorporators, as you are asking, sir, is I mentioned already Jack T. Yang, Michelle C., Elaine Chua, and I.D.T. Yang.
Sino po si Samson Guo Yang?
I believe it was not mentioned here, sir.
We have reports that this certain individual is the director and assistant corporate secretary. Probably some of the information that this humble representation has, I will just forward to you for further information gathering, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Oh, if I may also ask, no, on the last note, at present, ano na po ba ang naging development sa raid na naganap ng Mexico, Pampanga? May mga kaso ba tayo na naisampa? Specifically, what the chair is asking earlier, it is imperative that we file the necessary cases so that other agencies of our government will be able to act accordingly. Time is of the essence, sir. So categorically, has NBI or any agencies of our government have filed cases regarding the raid on Mexico, Pampanga?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, we already filed the case for violation of RA 9165, falsification of public documents and violation of passport law, Your Honor.
When was this, sir?
Last August, Mr. Chairman.
Again, tama po ba narinig ko? May kasama na po ba yung drugs dito? Hindi pa?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, we already filed the violation of RA 9165.
So just again, kay Pidea, ano po ba ang connection ng Empire 99 Realty doon sa Mexico Pampanga raid, sir?
Empire 999, sir, is the owner of the warehouse.
Doon sa Mexico Pampanga.
Mexico, Pampanga.
So it is certain, without a doubt, it is established that Empire 99 and the drug raid in Mexico Pampanga is one and the same. Sila nag-operate nito. Tama po ba, sir?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
In your humble opinion, as matagal na rin po kayo siguro sa PIDEA, ASEC, tama po ba?
2 years in PDEA, sir. 36 years in the Philippine National Police.
Okay, so matagal na kayo sa law enforcement. I'd like to ask both PIDEA and NBI, in your honest opinion, ano po ba sa tingin nyo ang kadahilanan kung bakit itong mga Chinese nationals na naghahasik ng illegal na mga gawain dito sa bansa natin, bakit po ba sila lumalaki? Bakit nagagawa nila itong mga falsification of documents, acquiring illegal land? Ano po bang sa tingin ninyo? So, gusto ko lang marinig yung honest opinion po ninyo.
Some of our agencies are supporting the Chinese, sir.
I'm sorry, sir. Paki.
Some of our government agencies are supporting the Chinese regarding this matter.
Ano pong agency yan, sir?
As what we have, as what I have observed during the conferences or the meetings that we have since last year, what we have mentioned there is the LRA, the PSA. That's what I can recall, sir.
NBI, in your humble opinion, bakit ba nakakaporma? In layman's term, bakit ba umuubra yung mga illegalistang gawain ng mga Chinese nationals na to?
Mr. Chairman, there are many factors, no? But
In a nutshell,
yes, Mr. Chairman. First, because we're very lax, and there's corruption. Obviously, there's corruption in our government.
thank you. Mr. Chair, just to like to manifest from what I've heard from the very tedious and detailed interpellation of Congresswoman Luistro, and with the answers of our different agencies in law enforcement, in my own observation, para kasing ang dami nating agencies who are not really working together, that's one. Number two, yung iba nating agencies are being passive, not proactive. Alam na nilang meron ng kakulangan o meron ng semblance of irregularity, yet we are still waiting for more evidence rather than them gathering it themselves. Mr. Chair, I really appeal to different agencies in our government, especially law enforcement. We have to be proactive. Galing sa dating administration and even the present, we have to all work together para yung mga illegalistang Chinese na to, and also Filipinos who are coddling, some politicians pa who are coddling the